What's up mga papi? Vlogger ka ba? Content creator? Runner? O gumagawa ka ng mga review sa YouTube? Alam naman natin, audio is life. Maski maganda yung video mo, kung pangit ang audio mo, wala rin, di ba? So for today's video, i-share ko lang sa inyo itong Polus na wireless mic na nabili natin sa Shopee. Tingnan natin kung budol ba to o papas tayo. Hindi ko alam kung ano quality nito. So samahan nyo ako, i-unbox natin today. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
Alright, so buksan na natin. Tingnan natin kung anong laman nitong Polus. Hindi ko alam kung Polus o Pulus. So ayan yung box niya, Polus wireless. This is for live show. Okay rin for interview and okay rin for vlogging, short video. So, wala naman special sa box. Medyo hindi maganda yung itsura ng box niya pagdating sa atin. Let's blame the shipper. Pero ito yung itsura niya. Okay. So pag binuksan mo, meron siyang case. Synthetic leather yung case. Maganda naman yung feel niya. And ito yung laman ng package. So we have the transmitter mic. And we also have the receiver. Itsura nito. This is the receiver. So may clip siya. And we have the charging cable. And the dead cat. So importante itong dead cat para walang feedback doon sa noises sa paligid natin. And meron rin tayong earplugs. Ito yung manual na. Not sure if any one of you is reading the manual, pero ako bihirang-bihira. Okay, let's talk about the build quality. Plastic siya, yes, pero decent naman, hindi naman siya mukhang laruan. Yung clip niya is strong enough, so pwede mo ilagay sa shirt mo habang nagra-run ka like me. Nagagawa tayo ng vlog while running. So this has wireless connectivity, plug and play lang, no complicated setup, and of course rechargeable and compatible with phones na Type-C and Type-C compatible. So hindi siya compatible sa iPhone. Ang pinakagusto ko dito, syempre plug and play siya, walang kaarte-arte kasi let's be honest, pag nagba-vlog tayo, gusto natin yung mabilisan lang at walang masyadong technical setup. So ang gagawin natin mga papi, test natin, kakabit natin tong wireless dito sa phone natin para malaman natin kung gaano kaganda yung quality ng audio niya. So pero ikabit muna natin tong dead cat. So ganyan lang naman siya para walang background noise and walang feedback. Tapos i-on natin. So ayan. So may indicator naman siya, wireless is on, and then naka-on yung audio. Okay. And then we'll clip it. Tignan natin. Okay, now ginagamit na natin yung video ng Android phone natin, and ito yung quality ng mic. Naririnig nyo. Hindi ko alam kung may difference between the first mic na ginagamit natin and now that we're using the Polus. Pero i-comment nyo na lang down below if you feel that this is better or kung ito yung mas okay. This is the TNW mic yung ginagamit natin sa iPhone. So, right now it's Polus. Test mic, test mic! Okay, so now na na-test na natin tong mic, ang nakikita kong pros dito, of course, budget friendly, very solid for beginners, easy to use, yun nga kasi plug and play siya, and then of course lightweight, good for vlogging and running content if you do running contents in YouTube. And pinakinggan ko yung labas ng audio niya, decent naman. Yung cons niya, build is not that premium compared to the much expensive one. Of course, hindi naman siya comparable kasi mura lang siya. And then, sometimes the audio can struggle in strong winds. So, tinest rin natin siya. And then, medyo limited range versus the more expensive brands. Hindi siya perfect, but hindi rin naman siya sablay. So, ang verdict natin, budol. Hindi naman tayo papas dito kasi ang number one strength nitong mic na to is budget friendly, plug and play, at saka decent naman yung audio quality. And that's it. That's it for our vlog. Thanks for watching. Till the next budol. Peace, Pulus.